No man wants to be in the shadow of his girlfriend's ex-boyfriend, but more often than not women tend to subconsciously and even outright compare their boyfriends to their exes. This is never a good sign in a relationship, so we will be looking into today's story to see how this affects a young couple. Yow, what's up my people, welcome back to Basic Principles YouTube channel. The channel that provides you with interesting stories out of Jamaica and around the world for your entertainment. Thanks for tuning in, hit subscribe for more videos. Anyway guys, today's story is titled, Girlfriend Keeps Comparing Me to Her Ex-Boyfriend. The letter to the pastor reads,
Dear Pastor, I am 35 years old and I have a girlfriend who is 25. I truly love her. We have moved in together. She has a good job and I have a decent job, but she earns more money than I do. Before we moved in together, she was sharing a space with her sister. Now her sister is alone and bearing all her bills. She thought that she could live alone, but it is difficult for her. She is asking my girlfriend and I to take her in and she would assist us in paying the utilities and the rent. We do not need help to pay these things because we are earning enough and get traveling allowances from my job. My girlfriend is sympathizing with her sister and wants us to seriously consider having her come to live with us. I am still standing firm in saying no. We are yet to make a final decision. Another problem I am having with my girlfriend is that since we have been living together, she is always comparing me to her ex-boyfriend. Even when we are doing our bedroom works, she compares me with him. I told her that she should stop doing so, but she continues in that fashion. She said I ejaculated too soon and my private part is too small. I told her that if she does not stop comparing me with her ex-boyfriend, I am going to leave her. Do you think I am wrong in threatening to leave her? And do you think I should agree for her sister to come and live with us? Apart from these two areas, my girlfriend and I get along well. When I don't have any money, she does not hesitate to assist me. How long her sister will stay with us, she does not know. How can I get my girlfriend to stop comparing me with her ex-boyfriend? Please tell me what to do. O.L.
Dear O.L. Your girlfriend will take a while before she gets over her former boyfriend. Evidently, he was a good lover and he was gifted. But she ought to know that all men are not the same. I believe that you are trying your best, but perhaps it has come to the stage where you and your girlfriend should seek the help of a family counselor. Concerning her sister who wants to come and live with you, I would not recommend that you consent in doing that. It would be better for your girlfriend's sister to find someone who is not related to her and share the space. If your girlfriend continues to insist that her sister should come and live with you, you should tell her that the relationship is over, and you know that nothing is wrong with you. Your girlfriend just wants more of the stuff. So insist that both of you see a family counselor. Pastor.
Guys, never get in a relationship and compare your current partner with your ex, and this goes especially for ladies because oftentimes it is done without you noticing what you're doing and it hurts the relationship. But, if you do not believe what I am saying, let's check out these comments. First comment comes from Sheldon John. How can you be 35 years old and not know that moving your sister-in-law in with you and your girlfriend is a recipe for disaster? As soon as she moves in, she will take sides with her sister on any disagreements between you and your girlfriend, and most likely she will pull the sexual advances card on you as well. Your girlfriend should stop comparing you to her ex because it could cause you to lose your manhood and become dysfunctional sexually in the bedroom. Using my prediction skills, I will tell you that with all that's brewing in your relationship, it is in trouble and it may just be the beginning of the end. Gooner4Life7 replied to Sheldon John. Absolutely. Sir, your girlfriend is still in love with her ex and there's no way this relationship will work, so cut your losses and move on. Vernal also replied to Sheldon John. You could not have said it better. Big man can't think for himself. So, if the pastor says jump, does he jump? Someone else added. Pastor Aaron, I see that you use the word love and gifted differently than what it is truly meant. I don't understand you at all as a counselor. There is a good reason why she and that ex-boyfriend are not together. I would not want anyone to compare me with another woman. I would ask, so why aren't you with that ex? It sounds like she does not respect you at all. Dwight McLean jumped into the conversation with, she'll cheat with her ex one day, believe it. She is still thinking about that big bamboo. That's what happens to most women when they start having sex with guys with big bamboo, so they're accustomed to it. This is not looking good for you, brother. Donnie chimed in. You may have to move on from this relationship, not because of the sister wanting to live with you, but because your girl is already complaining about the size of your pecker. After the early relationship sizzle wears off, she will be looking for the heat. True shaded some truth into the conversation and said, you're a strong man. I know when women compare you openly with ex-boyfriends, it's a sign of disrespect, and it is only a matter of time before she strays. Don't make statements that you're not determined to follow through with. Move on, young man. Jay Jones also have their piece. When she is comparing you to her ex, she is simply telling you discreetly that she is missing Big John, and you're not fulfilling her sexual needs. Fly Dude 86 replied to Jay Jones. Big facts. Can we talk to added? Pastor. Please. Family counselor, my Aunt Minnie and I wouldn't advise my man here to waste any money going to see a family counselor, but to instead, seek out a living arrangement where flying solo he can manage. He's already at a disadvantage in the following areas. Earnings potential is less than his partner. Living arrangement, dynamic is tenuous as his partner's sister wants to come live. His package has some shortcomings. What is unknown is whether my man here was sharing accommodations with someone else and together the two of them made up the amount which was needed for monthly expenses. I see this as a relationship which does not have the likelihood of a high degree of success. Flydude 86 replied to, can we talk too? Nailed it. And he really nailed it for real. It does not look like this relationship has any hope of survival, not even a pacemaker can help. Anyway, Jacob Forrest also lent his wisdom and said, from what you are saying that she is comparing you with her ex-boyfriend, this is a sign that things are not going to work out as planned. Be careful now and think twice about the relationship working. Guys, the last comment we will be looking at comes from Derek Henney, which says, 1 Corinthians 6:18 is your answer. This man posing as a pastor is promoting unrighteous living. Seek help from the creator of sex, the creator. Shots have been fired, guys. It seems a few commenters were not in agreement with Pastor on this one. However, I can see where Pastor is coming from. He did give the writer some good advice, and the family counselor is needed only if he really puts on his Halloween costume and decides to continue with his girlfriend, if she continues to compare him to her ex. Certain issues can be worked on, but some red flags will never change to green. In a case like that one, you can only wave the white flag and call it quits or risk heartbreak, which seems inevitable if the relationship continues. But guys, maybe I am being too pessimistic. What are your thoughts on this one? What would you advise OL to do? Let me know in the comment section. And if you enjoyed this story, please like the video and subscribe for more. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Love.